Today on Ask the Expert, I am here with Jordan Palmer, Sheila Mattingly from Rewind Hair Loss Clinic. Guys, thanks for coming back in today. We appreciate it. Okay, so we're going to talk about the misconceptions that people see online. We get served a lot of videos and, you know, we think, oh, this is the magic cure for my hair loss, but that might not always be the case. Talk about why.
Yeah, so it's really important to go to a local trichologist or your physician, because when you're getting on there and you're getting prescribed finasteride, you know, that causes erectile dysfunction. It increases your chances of prostate cancer. When there are natural remedies that we can do with DHT blockers. The same people that come in frustrated because they bought the LED light caps that think's going to restart hair growth.
Yes.
It doesn't work because that only targets people that have lost hair because of an inflammation problem. So they've just wasted their money, and sometimes that's $600 to $1,200. You really don't want to go anywhere for anything, even if it's just an ointment that you're going to put topically on your head, unless you can go back and talk to them about the results, and so they can measure the results every 90 days. They can't do that virtually, and they can't do that if you're just clicking through and they're prescribing a prescription.
Right, exactly. And also, Sheila, with the nutrition aspect of it too, I mean, there's not really someone there guiding them in that arena as well, is there?
No. No, you're limited to usually like a chat box or something that you can contact somebody, and they're not drawing labs on you to make sure that what they're giving you is the correct dosage. So there's just a lot of things that falls through the cracks when you do these online things.
Well, we certainly don't want people falling through the cracks on this and wasting a lot of money.
Yes.
For them to come in, it's a free consultation, right?
Yes, just give us a call or schedule on our website, because our consultations are free. That's what we're here for.
Wonderful. Well, Jordan, Sheila, thank you so much for coming in today. We appreciate it.
Thank you.